Hey guys, so for today's unboxing video, we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe. So technically the official name is the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe. I usually just always call it the MagSafe wallet, and that's what I'll be calling it in this video. I also got it in the wisteria color, which is kind of like this light shade of purple, although you can also get it in golden brown, dark cherry, sequoia green, midnight, and of course, wisteria. And with the release of the iPhone 13, the MagSafe wallet now has Find My support, which means that if you misplace your MagSafe wallet, you can track its last known location with your iPhone. But anyways, now that we know a little bit about this guy, let's get into it. So now we're gonna actually open the MagSafe wallet, and pretty much what you do is you turn to the back, and on the back it kind of tells you how to put the MagSafe wallet on, the $79 price tag, and some text. That's pretty much it. But what you want to do is you want to go to this little green arrow right here. I don't know if you can see that, but you pretty much want to take it and peel it. Just like that. I'm going to put that to the side. And then you take the pull tab, which is also the hook, and you just rip it. Well, not rip it. And then flipping it over, it will reveal the MagSafe wallet in all of its glory. I don't know why there's a bit of dust there, but anyways, now we just turn it over so it comes out. And there we go. We have our MagSafe wallet. But before we get to that, it looks like we have some manuals designed by Apple in California, but it's literally just some text. So not really anything too excited, but it is just a wallet after all. So how exciting can you really make it, right? Anyways, getting to the wallet, we can see, again, this is the MagSafe wallet in the beautiful wisteria color. And turning to the back, we have this hole, which is kind of just there to make it easier to push out a card. And there's this arrow telling us to take it out, so we're gonna do that. It's really like stuck in there. Yeah, I just damaged it. Anyways, you pull out the card, and it just kind of tells you, again, how to put it on the iPhone, and also tells you can put some cards in there, obviously, because it's a wallet. I think they're supposed to do that. We can also see the card has a little bump on it, probably to fit in the MagSafe wallet. But moving this to the side, too, we have our MagSafe wallet. We can see that it's sort of, but not really felty inside, probably to keep the cards comfy. And yeah, this is the MagSafe wallet. So since I am filming on my iPhone 12 mini, which is the iPhone I'm going to be demonstrating using the MagSafe wallet, I'm going to find a different camera, and then we are going to try this out. So now I got a different camera, and I have my iPhone 12 mini, but also keep in mind that you can use the MagSafe wallet with an iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and for the iPhone 13s, the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you have those iPhones, well, lucky you. Anyways, pretty much what you do is you take the wallet and put it on the back, and it will magnetically attach. And you get a cool setup screen. We get this cool 3D spinning model of the MagSafe wallet. Looks pretty dang cool. It says wallet, obviously. Now we just press continue. And then it says add to Find My, because, like I said, the new version of the MagSafe wallet has Find My ability. So we're just going to press continue. And then it's just going to say connecting. And then this screen will pop up. As you can see, it's named my wallet, Jack's Wallet. It also tells you that you can locate it on the map and notify when it's attached. So we're just gonna press done, and boom, your MagSafe wallet is set up. So yeah, guys, we unboxed the MagSafe wallet and set it all up, and that's pretty much all to say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. And hey, keep in mind, I might even do a post on my Instagram reviewing this thing. Maybe I'll use it for about 2 weeks and let you guys know. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Now here's a cool little Easter egg. If you put the MagSafe wallet on the iPhone while it's on the lock screen, it'll play a custom animation that's exclusive to the MagSafe wallet. It's not color-coded like the MagSafe cases, but it's still pretty cool.